Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bring image to front in Google Slides. So if you want to bring a specific or particular image to the front in Google Slides, yes, I can get it done. So for example, you can see this particular image right here at the back is at the back of this particular image, and I want this image text. I want it to come to the front. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to right click on the image at the back. I'm going to right click on it. Then I'm just going to tap on order. From there, then I'm just going to bring back to the front, and that is it. You can see this particular image is back to the front, and it is right on the other image which is at the front. Now this one is the front image, as the first image is sent to the back, while the one at the back has been sent to the front, and that is how you can go about it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.